Alright guys, today's a different type of recipe. So as you can see, this is frozen. I have had this sitting in my freezer for a while. As you can see, there's a little bit of freezer burn, so I'm going to use it up today. I'm going to put it on the Instant Pot. I'm going to cook it up, remove all the meat, and then throw away the bones and everything, and then use the meat to make a stew or some sort of meal out of it. Okay, so I'll be right back. I haven't decided what I'm gonna make yet, but I gotta thaw this out and cook it, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, the chicken's all done, so I'm just gonna wait until it cools down and then pick off the meat, and then I'm gonna actually put the broth there into the fridge, and then let it congeal, and then probably either scrape it, throw it out, or reuse it as a chicken broth. So I'll be back guys. Alright guys, so here's that chicken. I just took off the bone, and I'm going to use it for like a stir fry or something like that. So stay tuned, I'll be right back.